Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So to get Fiori in your system, first thing you have to do is go to search for run command. Okay. So type drivers here. DRIVERS, drivers, and click on OK. So there will
Ma'am,
be a folder.
can you start from the beginning? Yeah, just now I.
Yeah, I just said you just go to search tab and type run command. Open run command and type drivers there. Okay. Press enter. You will get list of folders. Go to etc folder. So double click on this and you will have here host file. So what you have to do this host file is you just cut it. Select it. Control X. Okay. And
Ma'am,
paste this
after
on desktop. Click on continue. Now, while you're opening, you have to open
Need
this
to
host
paste on.
file. Huh?
Need to paste on like desktop, right?
Yes, you have to paste it on desktop. And see, you have to make sure that this file format shouldn't change. It should remain same. Okay? Just right click on it. Go to open with. Select notepad and click on just once. Okay? So you will have notepad opened and last line in this notepad, add this line. Okay? So 144.48.75.51. Here you should give one tab space, only one tab. If you want, I'll do it again.
ma'am, this is for what? We joined 2 minutes late.
This is for Fiori, Nagraju.
Okay.
So
Can
to
you
get
can you
Fiori app, to connect to Fiori app, you need to make these configurations. I'll show you once again. Okay?
Okay.
So give the server IP, which is 144.48.75.51 and give one tab space, only one tab. Next, type dem system and one tab space again. Give dem system dot test dot com. That's it. Just save it and close it. Now again, cut this folder from here and paste it in etc folder. See, your file format should be same. It shouldn't change. Okay. So this is the configuration which you have to do if you want to connect to UEFI server. Okay. So everyone clear? I'll show you once again. Shall I show once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'm just showing them how to configure Fiori system.
Okay. Okay.
Same. Go to run command. Shortcut key for run command is Windows R. Windows plus R. Okay. Now type here drivers. DRIVERS. Okay. Press OK. So you will have list of folders. Go to etc folder. Double click on it. Now you will find host file. Select it. Cut it. And paste it on desktop. So here is my host file. Okay, now you have to open it. Now right click on it. Click on open with. Select notepad and click on just once. Now add this line at the end of your file. Okay. So I'll share you this. It is already shared to you when I have shared all the server details and all. You can find that. And if anyone is facing any issue while doing these configurations, you can just message me personally. Okay. Now add this last line. It's 144.48.75.51. Give one tab space and dem system, DEMSYSTEM, and again one tab space. And now dem system.test.com. You have to type this, save it, and close it. Now again, cut this folder. Cut it and paste it in etc folder. Click on continue. See. Okay. So you can't make changes when this file is in etc folder. You have to copy it to desktop and make the changes. Again, you have to copy it back to etc folder. Is this clear?
Unmuted.
Everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. If you find any difficulty while doing these changes, you can just message me. I'll help you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Okay. So to go to Fiore, this is the T code /n/UI2/FLP. Then it will ask user ID. Mention the same user ID which you have. System user ID, system password. Mention the same here also.
UID/FTP, sir. FLP.
FLP. /n/UA2/FLP. It is taking some time. Okay, starting. So it will open all the apps. I'll show you later. Okay. Next. Okay. So we are discussing post migration activities. Take one by one. First one, BP activation steps. BP activation steps. Same we discussed in starting also. Can you tell me one by one if you have notes?
Sir, activate creation of post processing orders.
So in that first one, activate creation of post processing orders. Okay.
Sir, no, before to that, there is activate BP steps in SAP. That is their heading.
That is what we are discussing. BP activation steps.
Okay.
But here direction BP to customer, right, sir?
Yes, yes.
Second point, BP configuration for migrate credit master, sir.
Okay. So first one, activate creation of post processing orders. What is the path for it? SPRO.
IMG. Cross
Cross-application components.
Cross application components.
General application.
then cross up.
Data synchronization.
General application functions.
Post-processing office. You can see post-processing offices. There it is. Drag down.
General application functions. Post
At the middle. Yeah.
processing office.
Business
Business process.
Activate creation.
Activate creation of post-processing orders. We discussed already. Okay. So here, activate this CVI underscore 03 BP to customer, CVI underscore 04 BP to customer, these two. We already did this starting only, so it appears here. So activate these two. If you activate all four also, nothing will happen. So if it is all four activated, let it be. But these two should be checked. APMD CVI underscore 03 BP to customer, CVI underscore 04 BP to vendor, like that.
We are not getting your voice. Are you only facing the issue or everyone?
No, me also, I'm not getting voice. Yeah.
One second. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So second step, activation, take this heading, maintain synchronization objects. Maintain synchronization objects, take the path, SPRO, cross application components, SPRO, cross application components, SPRO, cross application components, master data synchronization, master data synchronization, synchronization control, again synchronization control, synchronization objects, click on this clock symbol, Okay, so here BP should be there, customer, vendor. Okay, next, third one, activate PPO request for platform objects in the dialog. Take this heading. Activate PPO request for platform objects in the dialog. Same path, activate PPO request for platform objects in the dialog. Okay, here BP activate, BP activate. Okay, next step, activate synchronization options. Activate synchronization options. Activate synchronization options. So here BP to customer, BP to number, vendor activate.
Or it is customer to be.
Earlier customer to BP, now BP to customer. If you activate all four, there is no issue. We did this all four starting. So it is appearing the same, no issue. But here mainly BP to customer, BP to vendor.
Can you show synchronization objects, sir, once?
Okay, next, last one. What is the third one heading?
Activate a PPO request for platform object in the dialog.
Activate PPO request for platform objects in the dialog. Fourth one, activate synchronization options. Okay, now fifth one, activate contact person. Take the path. SPRO, cross application components. SPRO, cross application components. master data synchronization, master data synchronization, customer vendor integration, customer vendor integration, customer vendor integration, business partner setting, business partner settings, settings for customer integration, settings for customer integration, field assignment for customer integration, field assignment for customer integration, assign attributes, assign attributes, contact person, contact person, activate assignment of contact person, activate assignment of contact person, okay. So check this, activate this. Okay.
I just want one query here. Is it okay? Now,
Yes.
this is a central level setting, right? So now once
Yes.
we have done it, we don't need to do it.
Yes, yes. If you do once, system wise, no need to do again. Okay. So these are the 5 activation steps. Cross check this. Okay. Next. Next. BP configuration. In S4HANA system. BP configuration in S4HANA system. Bracket. If BP number is equal to customer number, BP number is equal to customer number, BP configuration in S/4HANA system. If BP number is equal to customer number, BP configuration in S/4HANA system. If BP number is equal to customer number,
అక్కడే ఉంది గట్టి మీద వాటర్ క్యాన్ పక్కన.
okay. Next, sorry, we have to do some configurations here. BP configuration in S/4HANA system. If BP number is equal to customer number. So if BP number not equal to customer number, no issue. But if BP number is equal to customer number, we have to do some configuration steps. So in our case, BP number is equal to customer number. We have this thing. Customer is equal to BP. Okay, here we have. Okay. So here, what is the customer account group H009 and number range, number interval H9. So BP grouping D009. Okay, I'll take this. So in your case also, you have this data. Okay. So customer account group is H009, number interval H9, BP grouping D009, number interval D9. Okay.
Oh.
Now here first step. First step here. Go to BP number ranges.
I think we need to configure BP rule category, right?
Sorry. That is we already configured, that will appear here. We already did this in ECC. HHCU00, HHCU01 something. It appears here. Okay. If you don't have BP role category, you can use standard also here. FLCU00, FLCU01. Okay. Now first one, go to BP number ranges. Go to BP number ranges and change it from external to internal. go to BP number ranges and change it from external to internal. Go to BP number ranges and change it from external to internal. Okay. Now take the path for this SPRO cross application components. SPRO cross application components. SPRO cross application components. SAP business partner. SAP business partner. Then business partner. Then business partner. Basic settings. Basic settings. Number ranges and groupings. Number ranges and groupings. Define number ranges. So here, what is our BP number range? Interval, tell me here as per
So
Excel.
it is D9, sir.
61070 610
D9. So ours is D9. So it is external check. Now we have to make it internal. Okay. Now go to change intervals. D9, go to D9. Okay. So here, if you uncheck external, then you have to maintain current number. How to know current number? Tell me. You have to mention this current number. How to know the current number? How to know the current number?
By using NRI status?
NR status. By using NR status, we can.
NR status.
NR status, it is showing 0 because earlier it was external. So now how to know this?
Go to the table and give that number in. So whatever we receive the latest number.
Which
For
table?
that BP grouping, we can see the list of customers, right? So where we can find the last number.
Okay.
In table, we have to pass the account group and check the number of customers.
Sir, sorry to say that I did not understand why you are making internal to external. Why you are making external to internal, sir?
1 second, sir. 1 second. 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 1 second.
So here earlier we have customers. We converted this to BP. So if you want same number, BP should be external. If you want same number, BP should be external earlier. Now this is as per hana. In as per hana, what is the direction? BP to customer. We created BP front end. Back end system creates customer. So here BP should be internal and customer should be external. If you want same number, BP should be internal, customer should be external. Okay. Now, so the question is how to get current number. Go to SC16 and
T077D, sir.
sorry,
T077D table.
table. T077D. Okay.
To the account group.
Mention the number range or account group. What is the account group?
D009.
H009.
BP group, sir. D009.
This is customer account group. Whatever the table you mentioned, that is account group related. Okay. So not this table. BUT, go to BUT 000, SC16 and SC16, BUT 000. Mention here user param fields for selection, select grouping also. Okay, what is your grouping? D009, execute. So here, tell me what is the current number? What could be the current number here?
107, sir, ending with
610707.
610707. Like that, you will come to know. 610707.
Sir, can you just show again what to check? What fields to check? There.
Go to SC16, T code, SC16. Mention the table BUT 000. Mention the table BUT 000. And mention the grouping D009. Execute. So here, if you're not getting BP group, go to settings, fields for selection. Go to settings, fields for selection. Select this grouping, continue. Okay. Then mention the group D009 and execute. Okay. So here you will get this 610707.
Very quick one, sir.
Okay. Now go to that. number range. Okay. Now go to NR status. Mention that current number. D9. Go to NR status. Go to D9. Go to D9 and mention this 610. What is that?
7077.
707.
610707. Okay. Save it.
Sir, very quick one, sir, here.
Yes.
Sir, if customer number and BP number is not same, so then also we have to do this activity.
No. I give an example bracket. If customer number is equal to BP number.
Okay, sir. Fine.
It is not.
Otherwise, we can keep as it is for the others, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay,
But
sir. Thank you.
99% cases, customer number is equal to BP only.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Next.
Savia?
One quick question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when we are converting customer to BP, the tax ID, if I maintain, it was not able to convert it to BP. So that time we removed the tax ID and again transfer that customer to BP.
That is only practice purpose. Actually, it will convert.
Okay, in real time it will convert. Okay, thank you.
Yes. In real time, it will convert.
So a small query. While migrating the data from ECC to S4 HANA, if unfortunately the data hasn't migrated, some part of the data hasn't migrated to S4 HANA, then what would be the procedure?
Why
Do we need to follow all the steps?
Why it will happen?
Unfortunately. So
No, that is not. No, that will not happen.
Sir, adding to that question, I have one query. So when I checked credit limits yesterday of mine, so I find some issue with one of the risk category, so medium risk. So after class, I can show you, or can I show you?
No, what is the problem?
I maintain the credit limit. I have 3 risk categories. So for each risk category of I maintained 5 lakhs as credit limit. For high risk and low risk, it is showing properly in the credit segment. But when it comes to medium risk, it is showing 10 lakhs. But in FD33, I have only 5 lakhs. So that is the issue I have. I check multiple times. I cross verified, but it is showing the same thing.
So send me the customer number. I will check that later.
Okay, sir. But receivables is showing as 10 lakhs, 10 lakh 40,000, but I maintain only 5 lakhs. So is it updating the receivables or only the limits which we maintain?
No, it will update only the credit limit present.
Okay, but in that case, I have that issue, sir. I checked 5.
If you already create invoices, it updates in receivables. Go and check the invoices which we created for that customer. We have
created, sir. I already created the invoice. Journal entry got created.
Then it update in receivables. That is correct only.
Okay, whatever the receivables is there, that will update in credit segment, sir.
It will update in open items, receivables field. There is separate field.
Okay.
Where you are checking, let me show you. Send me the customer number. I'll show you that.
Okay, sir. I'll ping in the chart BP number as well as customer number.
Sir, where can we check contact person associated to the customer in BP?
There is one relationship. See, migration process, there are so many contact persons. You people have some issues. So I removed contact persons for that customer. So you may not have this. So if you have, then it will show here. But I removed whatever the contact persons it is showing in the upgradation report. I removed all those contact persons because I cannot assign one by one. You did some issue with timings in contact person. There is some timing. There is some real issues. So I removed contact person. So most of the maybe I mentioned here Excel. I removed all these
But
contact
usually,
persons.
okay, but usually it has to appear in relationship tab.
Relationship tab, yes. So all these customer and contact person, I removed contact person to for migration. Otherwise, you have error. Okay, all these I removed. But normally it appears here. Relationship. Go to relationship. Here it appears. We have some contact persons. We created contact person 610704. 610705. Go and check BP 610704 705. Double click on this 704 relationships. You can see the contact person here 233 and Suresh Vijayawada, something like that. Double click
The
on
last
this.
number is that, sir.
Sorry.
Okay, sir.
The last number is that 23229.
Where?
Sir, sorry for taking your time. The thing is,
Go back, sir. Yeah.
Okay, here you can see the ECC number 23239. Here Excel 23239.
okay, sir.
Okay.
So, a small query. We migrated data from ACC to S4 HANA. Okay. But again, now why you are configuring from BP to customer?
So if you get new customer in the business, now you have to create BP only here in S4HANA. There's no customer. You cannot create customer like ECC. So here you have to create BP. In the backend system creates customer. So here the direction is BP to customer. But in ECC we have customers, we converted to BP. In S4HANA, we have to create BP.
Okay.
You cannot go to XD01 and you cannot create customer master here in S4HANA. Whenever you get new customer in business, now you have to create BP.
Okay, for newly added customers, just we are configuring BP to customer.
Yes, yes.
So, sir, if we directly create BP in the S4, so in the backend it will create as a customer as well?
Customer, it will create customer. I'll show you that when we do that in system. I'll show you that.
Okay. So the details are pinged in the chat for your information. Thank
you. Send it to madam. WhatsApp. I'll check that.
Okay, sir.
WhatsApp, madam. Okay. Next. One more BP. Let us check what is the number. 610704. Here also we have contact person. Okay, double click on this relationships. This is the BP 23238. Okay.
ధనియాలు వేస్ట్ ఉన్నాయి అవే వేస్తాం
అప్పుడు మౌనిక వాళ్ళు పెంచేవాళ్ళు అనమాట
Next. Okay. Now this is the first step. Go to BP number ranges, uncheck external to internal, means uncheck external, and maintain current number in and maintain current number in uh, NR status, maintain current number in NR status, maintain current number in NR status. Okay. Now I'll show you again. So go to NR status. What is the T code or path? You have direct T code also. BUCF. Go to BP number ranges. BUCF. Go to BP number ranges. T code BUCF. You know the path also. Okay. Then go to change intervals. Go to your D9. Ours is D9 BP number. Go to D9. Uncheck external. Earlier it was checked. So uncheck this.
టమాటా చూసుకొని టమాటా చూసి
Uncheck external. Okay. Save it. First you have to uncheck, then go back, get the current number. How to get the current number? Go to the table SC16. Go to T code SC16. Go to SC16. Mention the table BUT 000. Mention the table BUT 000. Enter. Then mention your group. If you're not getting group here, go to settings, field for selection, select group, select the group,
ఇదేమో fake.
grouping, continue. Now you will get the group. Mention your group, D009, execute. Now here you will get the last number. What is the last number? If you have hundreds of customers or thousands of customers, still go back, go scroll down and check the last number. Okay. Next.
ఆపలేవా
Okay. Now go go back to BUCF, go to NR status, go back to BUCF, go to NR status, go to D9, go to D9, mention the current number here and save it. Okay. Next step, go to customer account group. Go to customer number ranges, not account group. Go to customer number ranges and change it from internal to external. Change it from internal to external. Take this. Go to customer number ranges and change it from internal to external.
Everything is in XDN, right?
T code XDN1. You can go to the T code XDN1. So earlier it was internal. Now make it internal to external here. Okay, I'll show this in system. Go to XDN1. Go to the T code XDN1. Okay, go to change intervals. Sorry, go to NR status. Go to NR status. Go to your number, customer number range. What is our customer number range? H9. Go to customer number range H9. H9. Remove NR status. See here, instead of going to table, here also you will get NR current number. Here you can check instead of table. So if you want current number, then this is the best method. Go to the customer number ranges and check what is the current number. It will show here. You can maintain same in BP number ranges. Okay. Here also you can check the current number. Okay. Okay. Now, so go to NR status, H9, remove current number, H9. Remove this. Save it. save it, save it, save it, go back. First remove NR status, go back. Then go to change intervals. Then go to change intervals. This one, middle one, go to change intervals. Scroll down, H9, H9. Make it external, check external, check external, save it, check external, save it. Okay. So first make NR status blank for that number. Right? Then you can check, otherwise external field is disabled. So if you make NR status blank, then you can check external. Okay. Save it. Next. Okay. Next. Go to customer account group. Next step. Go to customer account group. Go to your, this applies to all. Go to your customer account groups and uncheck mandatory fields. Go to customer account groups, all your customer account groups, uncheck mandatory fields. Go to your customer account groups and uncheck mandatory fields. Go to customer account groups and uncheck mandatory fields. What is our customer account group here? I'll do it for this. H009. Okay. So go to the T code OVT0 H009. Select this, go to details and make all optional. Make all fields optional. Okay. Next. Next, go to company code data, account management, make optional. Means uncheck required, don't make it required. Okay. Next, go to sales area data, sales tab, optional. Here also optional. Okay, go back. Shipping, make it optional. Okay, go back. Billing, make it optional. Go back. Okay. Save it. So all your account groups, go to your account groups and uncheck. Don't make it mandate any field. Okay. Next. Next step. Go to field groupings. Go to field groupings and control the fields in BP. Go to field groupings and control the fields in BP. Now here, take the path, field groupings, SPRO, SPRO, cross application components, SPRO, cross application components.
Sir, step 3, we need to do the fields from required to optional in the case of only where BP number is equal to customer number. To those account groups only we need to do, right?
No, all account groups. It applies to all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next. Okay. Next, go to field groupings, SPRO crops application components, then BP, SAP business partner, then business partner basic settings, field groupings, configure field attributes per BP role, configure field attributes per BP role, configure field attributes per BP role, configure field attributes per BP role. Double click on configure field attributes for each role category. Double click on configure field attributes for each role category. Okay. Select your BP role HHCU01 SD customer. Okay. Select this, go to field groupings. Select your BP role, click on field groupings. Okay. Now here, double click on sales data. Right side means one by one you have to double click. Right side you have all this delivery priority, delivering plant. Okay, make it required delivering plant. Then uh, delivering plant we made it required. Okay. Then currency make it required means just to cross check that. Currency make it required. Shipping conditions make it required. Okay. Next. Okay, save it. Save it. Now go to HHCU00FI field groupings, reconciliation account. Double click on this, scroll down left side, double click on general company code data, double click on it. Now here left, right side, scroll down, reconciliation account, make it mandatory. Reconciliation account, make it required. Okay. Save it. Like next.
Sir, don't we require any other fields to be made mandatory?
It depends on the requirement. Just to show you practice purpose, I checked some fields as mandatory. As per the client's requirement, we have to make the fields mandatory, optional.
Okay.
Next, take this heading. Set BP role category. Next step. Set BP role category. For direction, BP to customer. Set BP role category. For direction, BP to customer. Set BP role category for direction, BP to customer. Set BP role category for direction, BP to customer. Set BP role category for direction, BP to customer. Take the path, you know the path, same. But here BP to customer. SPRO, cross application components, master data synchronization, SPRO, cross application components, master data synchronization. SPRO, cross application components, master data synchronization, customer vendor integration, customer vendor integration, business partner settings, business partner settings, Settings for customer integration. Settings for customer integration. Set BP role category for direction, BP to customer. Set BP role category for direction, BP to customer. Now here mention your BP role category means HHCU00. It is not there by default. So go to new entries, mention HHCU00, save it. Then mention HHCU01, save it. Go to new entries, HHCU01, save it. Like that. Okay. So this is the step. Next step. Define number assignment for direction BP to customer. Sixth step. Define number assignment for direction BP to customer. Define number assignment for direction BP to customer. Define number assignment for direction BP to customer. Path is same. Here, go to field assignment for customer integration. Then assign keys. Field assignment for customer integration. Then assign keys. Define number assignment for direction BP to customer. Define number assignment for direction BP to customer. So here go to new entries. Go to new entries. I'm doing only for H009, D009. You have to do which one you want to use here. You have to do for that in your case. Okay. So go to new entries. Mention first grouping. What is my grouping? Tell me. We maintain in Excel. What is our grouping?
D009.
D009. See the Excel. Scroll down. Grouping is D009 and account group is H009. Okay. Maintain that. D009, H009. Is it same number? In our case,
Yes, sir. Same number.
check same number. Save it. Check same number. If it is not same number, then uncheck that. Save it. Check same number. Save it. Okay. Next.
Sir, can you show that path again, sir? Sorry.
Path is same. We did this in ACC also. Business partner settings for customer integration, then field assignment for customer integration, assign keys, define number assignment for direction BP to customer.
ఇల్లంతా దొరుకుతుంది అల్మారాలు ఉన్నాయి ఎవడో ఎక్కట్లేదు కొట్టట్లేదు దాన్ని ఎక్కడ పడుకున్నాను
Okay. So here, go to new entries and maintain grouping and account group, same number, check this, save it. Okay. Now you can create BP. Make a note, create BP. Create BP. So T code BP. T code BP. Click on organization. Click on organization. Mention the BP role HHCU00. HHCU00FI customer. Okay. Click on create. You will get some message. Click on create. Mention your grouping D009. Mention your grouping D009. So which number you should get? sorry. Excel 610708 number you will get. Okay. Mention the name. Mention the name. Search term. Mention the name, search term, street.
నువ్వు అందరూ నువ్వు మాస్తేనే వెళ్తావు రోగం తగ్గితే నాకు
Okay, next. Go to company code data. Here, top. Go to company code data. Mention your company code. What is ours? H100. Mention your company code. See your reconciliation account. Is it mandatory?
No.
Do you have that symbol?
Mandatory, sir.
Mandatory because we checked mandatory. Okay, 1,40,000. Save it. Save it. Okay, language you did not maintain. Go to general data, maintain language. Okay, save it. You will get some number. Save it. You will get 610708. Okay, then extend this to HHCU00. Extend this to HHCU00. Go to change mode. Go to click on change. Mention HHCU01. Click on change button. HHCU01. Go
How
to
to go to
sales and
change?
distribution. This button, change button. This pencil symbol. Okay. Click on sales and distribution. Mention your sales area. Mention your sales area. Maintain some mandatory fields. Do we have any mandatory field here?
Is it sales area of BPC?
Yes, yes. So go to sales and distribution tab. Now say order means sales tab. Now shipping tab, delivering plant we check mandatory H100. Shipping conditions also we check mandatory 01. Go to billing tab. Incoterms. Payment terms. Account assignment group. Tax classification. Save it. Like that. Okay. Just create a BP successfully. Now inside BP, system will generate customer number. You can see that 610708 BP. Double click on it. Go to HHCU00 or go to general data. You can see here. Go to general data, customer general data. You can see the number, customer number in the backend system creates customer and account group also you can see H009. Okay. Practice up to this. Remaining post migration activities we'll see next week.
I have a small
Thank you.
query. What is
Sir, in the case of different number ranges, so if you create a BP, this will the different customer number will get updated.
Customer number will be different.
Customer number will be different, but we can create, right, sir, without all this configuration.
Yes. No, we have to do this step. We have to do these two steps are mandatory for all. Mandatory these two. Fifth and sixth is mandatory for every all account groups.
Okay. Yeah.
Can we create like a customer and like a in ECC we create XG01, right, sir? Is it not possible
Here
to
you
create?
yes, not possible. T code is not there. Okay. Next week.
Sir,
Thank you.
Sir, what about February app, sir? Like that.
Here app, madam has taken class. You can go and check. Next week we'll discuss that. Thank you.
Okay,
అంటే మాకేమో పర్సనల్ లైఫ్ లో అంటే